Digraphs are two letters that work together to make one sound. Today's digraph is SH. SH says shh. Sh is for sheep. Sh is for ship. Sh is for shop. Listen carefully to these words, which have the sound sh. Shark. Does shark have the sound sh? Yes, it does. Sh, sh, shark. Snow. Does snow have the sound sh? No, it does not. Wash. Wash. Does wash have the sound sh? Yes, it does. It's at the end. Wash. Blow. Does blow have the sound sh? No, it does not. You just learned the digraph SH. Shh. Thanks for watching the video. Come back again for more letter fun with P2K.